Today's recipe is apple oatmeal raisin muffins. Alright, we're going to place an egg into a large bowl and we're going to just mix this all up. This recipe is one of the easiest recipes to do. Everything just gets all mixed in one bowl. We'll add our flour, our oil, our sugar, and we'll stir that all together. Get that all mixed. Then we'll add our flour and our oats, apples. I used one apple and chopped that up. Baking powder, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some salt, and raisins. And stir that all up just until it's combined. You don't want to over stir it because otherwise the muffins become dense. So just stir it until it's all combined. Then we're going to place this in our greased muffin tin. This makes 12 large muffins. This is a great healthy breakfast or on-the-go snack, after-school snack. Or even great to pack in your kids' lunches. We'll bake this in an oven at 400 degrees for around 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let rest and cool for a few minutes before transferring to a cooling rack. Enjoy! If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.